Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy. This is a behind the scene of my studio, filming sessions and packing orders with me. I hope you enjoy this video. So I am currently doing this week's Film with me, which is the first week. Looks like this. I already completed the setup. Now I also released another video showing you guys how January order freebie looks like. This is what it looks like. So cute. With all the Mimi stickers, new crew holding a wallet, throwing money away. This is perfect for January. And also want to showcase like the 2023 sticker. This is perfect when you put it on your, the dashboard or even the front of the cover. You can see I already put like Mimi washi sticker here. So that's what I look like right now. I'm excited to play. I will be using this glass pen and I'll be dipping in this ink and writing this in. Coming back, I am going to be filming a short video on pack with me orders. So right now I am packing 2 Misfit bags. So this is actually combined to one. Here I have inspirational Nuku sticker. And then next we have this Nuku at the corner that you could put at the corner of your spread. We have Mimi box. This is actually one of my favorite. I love the color and the glitteriness in the graphic. It's so pretty. And then there's also tiny boxes, so it will fit very nicely in your any type of planner, especially like smaller planner like the A6 one that I currently use for memory planner. That will fit very nicely in that. Then we have Mimi vacuuming, winter time, snowman, snowing, bunch of collectible stickers from 2018. And then a header, bunch of stickers that you put in your weekly spread.